Pav bhaji, it's so
Papdi
good.
chaat. Oh, okay,
Food is
I'm
really
not
nice.
discussed this. Yeah, I'm getting hungry.
I don't feel like eating. I hate. I'm like just eating. How is it being the middle child?
Elder sister is dad's favorite, younger brother is mom's favorite. Because
Yeah.
sometimes a sister is all you need.
No, very true.
See, I might sound controversial here.
Both of you. First of all, stop. Can we stop?
See, this might not sound believable. See, people tell numbers don't matter.
They do.
They 100% do. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
No, give them shades from my end, please. Do you love yourself?
I don't.
तू कितनी काली है? Prachi and I, this is the first time I'm going to tell this on social media.
Hi guys, I'm Ishita
And I'm Kanishka.
and welcome to
Drop the filter. And today with us we have Dia.
Hi guys, I'm Dia. I am a content creator. I'm based in Bengaluru and I don't know.
Yeah, that's great. I mean, you said all the right things. So have you ever put a filter on in your content creator journey?
Not really, but sometimes maybe at the influencer meetups and stuff where you can't actually be yourself because there are literally hundreds of people looking
Yeah.
at you and you just feel like,
You need to.
you need to. Even if you don't want to, you have to.
Yeah, I feel it's important also sometimes in these events to have a little filter on.
Yeah.
Because it can be scary.
It can be scary and you're always under the pressure of what people judge you.
Exactly. And you
True.
know what comes out
But-
of your.
Sometimes you feel that maybe if you don't do it, it'll look okay, but it does not really.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what are these influencer meetups like?
Yeah.
Like what's happening inside there?
See, so many people, for example, if I've seen your profile and if I've never met you, I might judge you. In real, you might actually be the opposite person.
Exactly true.
For example, if I've seen Ishita's profile and I've thought, oh my god, no, I can't be friends with her. But when I meet her, oh yeah, she is my vibe.
Yeah.
And some people are exactly opposite. In profile, they might look
Yeah.
friendly and in real, they are
Yeah.
not. Those are the things. Some people don't talk to you.
True.
Over text, they're very sweet.
Sweet and
Oh, cutie, I love your content and stuff. But in real, they're not like that. It's all just work and stuff.
So, are you telling me that, of course, a part of social media cannot be fully trusted?
Mm.
So, what kind of content do you put out there to keep your authenticity alive and connect with your audience?
Okay, my aim is always to put out affordable content. I never want to touch the premium category. Of course, there are going to be yes and no's about this.
Definitely.
But I think I want to touch an audience for college students, people that can't afford luxury.
Correct.
I want people to know that it's okay. You can still get the best under budget. And I think that under budget is always going to be my thing about my page. And not just, I think, about shopping, but about food, everything, in
Yeah.
general for students, for people who are traveling from different cities to Bangalore to survive a budgeted life. I think you can
I
do
think
it well.
you'll be happy listening to this, but my mom actually sent me a reel when she was in Bangalore and she told me, I'm like, oh my god, she's going to be a guest soon,
Yeah,
actually on our podcast. So,
that's true.
yeah, she
That's
sent
so
me
kind.
your reel and she was telling me the places where we could just, buy affordable stuff.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I was like, oh my god, I kind of know her. So, yeah, I know you. Like that.
But how long has this journey taken
Yeah.
you? I mean, you have a great, hefty number right now.
Yeah.
I mean, Touchwood obviously
Touchwood.
growing.
Hoping I'll grow more.
Yeah. So, is this your full time? And how was your journey? Like, what made it? How did you start?
Okay. It's been 2 years to the day I started. It's July is 2 years. I turned 2 years in July.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
And I think I started with food content initially.
Okay.
Just like a month, and I realized, no, that's not what I want to do. There's this one store in Commercial Street that I really like. When I
Okay.
was a college student,
Mhm.
I was in Christ. So every Saturday was a Commercial Street day for us.
Yeah.
We used to go to that store, shop a lot, and come back home very happy. So that one day I went there, I just shot a reel, and that reel hit 1 million.
Oh wow.
And I got 6,000 followers through that video.
What?
Yeah, and that time I was on 2,000,
That's a big
2,500.
amount.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was very, very big thing. That's when I realized, okay, there are people that are looking for products like
Yes.
this, looking for stores like this, and that's when I
100%.
decided. And from then, there is no going back. I've only kept posting affordable content.
That's crazy.
That's
I love
really-
that story.
Yeah. Also, I wanted to ask this one question because I don't think I know you personally. where are you from? And are
Yeah.
this is like my favorite question to ask.
So I'm born in Rajasthan,
Mhm.
Mount Abu, if you all
Yeah, I
know.
know.
Yeah.
So that's my hometown.
Wow.
I am born there, but I'm brought up here only in Bengaluru.
Mm.
My parents are raised there in Rajasthan.
Mm.
All the three of us are raised here. And yeah, I've studied in St. Mary's Girls High School. It's in Kanigam Road. And I've studied my PUC and degree in Crest.
That's
Nice.
so. Are you a Malwadi then?
Marwadi, yes.
Wow,
I am a Jain, yes.
I love Rajasthan.
Oh, you should come home for
That's
Rajasthan. if
that's
you're
how
sorry.
she eats in my house. Even I'm a Jain
Yeah,
Marwadi.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Really?
Really?
Oh, that's
yeah,
nice.
like I
Yeah.
go to her house and I love the Rajasthan.
You should have told me earlier. I would have got you something.
Next time. I think you'll be again a guest on our.
No, you can come to
podcast.
my house. I'll host you guys.
Yeah,
We'll do the
that'll be
other way
great.
around.
That'll be great. I to love Marwadi food in
Even
my
I love.
Yeah.
It's a comfort meal.
Yeah,
you can eat
yeah,
anything from us anytime and you'll still feel like home.
Yeah, and also
100%.
I've been to Rajasthan in my school days, so
Oh.
that it is my favorite. After Bangalore, it's my favorite city. But
Of course.
yeah,
Even though I'm from Rajasthan, it's after Bangalore only.
Yeah, same.
Bangalore.
See,
is
the
my-
city, wherever you're brought up, I think that will always be your favorite city.
Oh.
Definitely.
No matter where you're born, at least for me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think for me it's opposite.
No. Yeah, for her. I mean, she's
Yeah.
not from Bangalore.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're from?
I'm from Himachal.
Oh, wow. I have to come there.
You
Yeah.
come there, I'll treat you really well. But for me, I think Bangalore is my home.
Say.
I get
Yeah. So now let's assume that you have a friend in another city, let's say Rajasthan,
Hmm.
and he or she has come here to meet you. What does the day look like?
Okay. First, up in the morning. Okay, I'm not a morning person, but if she's come here, I'll put the efforts. Okay.
Yes.
I'll take her to Kaban Park or Lal Bagh. No heavy walking and all. I'll just take her around.
Yeah.
Good walk. I'll take her. I'll show her this is what the Bangalore without traffic looks like.
I love that.
Makes sense.
Then I'll take her for a nice breakfast. I am a Siddhana person.
Okay.
You might be a Vidyarthi Bhavan person, but I am a proper Siddhana person.
Yeah,
I like to
sure.
stand in the line, like that hot idli to come.
Yeah.
After good breakfast, I'll take her to Ganesh Juice Center, get her a nice glass of fresh juice. Then maybe we can come home, relax for a bit. Then we can go for some shopping. Because after heavy breakfast, you don't want to eat immediately.
Of course.
We'll go for some nice shopping. We can go to Commercial Street first. Enjoy,
Definitely.
get our pockets empty.
Yeah.
I mean, you can get so much in
much
such
yeah.
little money. Yeah, you can
Yeah.
get like you can get like pretty vests at
Yeah.
300, jewelry at 200, 100.
Yeah,
There's
jewelry,
so much you
yeah.
can do in Commercial Street.
That's true.
You can get crockery, clothing, literally everything.
Yeah.
After that, I can take her for a nice lunch. Now it depends if she's looking for a proper South Indian meal, North Indian meal. Depends on that.
Yeah.
If you're looking for a South Indian meal, so I don't dine in multi cuisine restaurants. I only go to pure veg restaurants.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll take her there only. So I
Yeah.
can take her to a nice pure veg restaurant. If we are in Commercial Street, I'll take her to Shivsagar.
Shivsagar, I love
I
Shivsagar.
literally took my mom there.
You know-
to Shiv Sagar.
Yeah, after shopping in Commercial Street, if you're eating in Shivsagar, it's a complete.
That's the deal.
Yeah, that's
You
the
go to
thing. You
the
have
function,
to.
you have
It's like
to have
oh,
it.
yeah, you have to. It's a thing.
Yeah,
to
it's
do
a
it.
thing. It's a thing.
Otherwise,
I
there's no
agree.
point going to Shivsagar.
Yeah.
I go eat Commercial
Commercial
Street.
Street.
And while shopping, you can also always eat street foods.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Always.
just on the way.
It hits
Yeah.
the spot just
every
perfectly.
time.
Yeah.
And then you can also eat some nice sweets in Anand Sweets.
Yeah.
Yeah, Anand is
Anand
too
is-
famous. No?
Yeah,
I've
it's
never
really nice. It's
tried
really
it.
nice.
You've not?
Yeah, I've just
Oh my
heard
God.
of. I've
You
seen
should
a
try
lot of
Rasmalai from Anand Sweets.
Everything there.
Yeah, everything there. Honestly, everything
Tell
there.
her that I don't like.
She's not a sweet too.
Samosa, kachori,
Yeah, this
masala puri, dhokla.
You get all this also.
Yeah,
Everything.
pav bhaji. It's so
Papdi
good.
chaat. Oh.
Okay, I'm
Food is
getting-
really
not
nice.
discussed this.
Yeah, I'm getting hungry. I just had food, but
After the shopping, we can maybe go take a walk around Gandhi Bazaar. Come back from Commercial Street. You don't have to. You know what? When you have the weather is good, come to Gandhi Bazaar. Just once, take a walk around. You'll find ladies making flowers. Side by side, they're selling something
Yeah.
else. It's a very beautiful thing to
You have to
do.
take me only for this.
Yeah.
Leave that.
It's that's why I said come be my guest. I'll take you around.
Yeah.
It's really fun. Gandhi Bazaar is a really nice. You don't necessarily have to shop. Plus, while there are street vendors selling products, you'll also find big brands there, like good
Yeah.
brands. You'll find Zudio, you'll find Style Up Union, good. All these
Correct.
brands you have. Then you can go grab a cup of coffee at NFC, Nama Filter Coffee,
That's my
the hazelnut coffee. You go
favorite.
drink there. just end your day. Dinner. See, dinner. One meal though you should have at my house.
Yeah,
Atka.
please.
If you're coming, being my guest, you should
All
eat
out.
something I make.
Yeah.
Come, I'll make you nice meal.
You know how to cook?
Yeah. I mean, except roti, I can do everything.
I
Yeah.
love cooking.
Yeah, I love cooking too.
Yeah.
I can make anything. See, if I love you, I'll show you that while cooking. I'll make something for you. I'll make something very
Yeah.
fancy. I'll try something
Same,
new for
same,
you.
Same.
See, it might turn out bad, okay, but at least I've cooked
Yeah,
the
Put
effort.
in effort, definitely.
I'm trying a lot.
You both cook, I'll eat. I
Yeah,
love to
You
eat. I'm a big
both of
foodie.
you eat, I'll cook.
Yeah, I'm
I'm
down.
gonna take
because
her also. I love to.
This is how she is. Today morning when I cooked her breakfast, then she's saying, I don't feel like eating. I hate. I'm like, just eat it.
Yeah.
I've cooked it. But yeah, I think that sounds like a perfect, like if mine would be very similar.
Yeah.
Very similar. If someone was to come down to meet me, it would be really similar. So that
There are
sounds
some
exciting.
must stores you should visit when you come to Bangalore. Like
Yeah.
there are commercial street mein there are some stores.
I feel like
Jayanagar mein there are.
these shows you have to take because I'm actually not a very, I don't like shopping in general.
I don't love shop.
I
You can leave. You know, you should like just leave me and
Yeah.
yeah.
shop anywhere.
I don't like shopping. I get very irritated. So I'm a kind of person, if I have to buy one white t-shirt, I will go for that t-shirt and come back.
Oh my
I won't
God.
even see left and right. I will go bring that. If I need something, I will go shopping for that one thing. I can't
have
blindly
to
go.
with her then. I
Yeah.
love to explore. Like I will try 100 outfits and after that if I have to choose something. Like,
Huh,
I
that's
like to try and
Yeah.
I
And
hate
see
the
that
idea of
outfits.
trying.
For example, if you see me, if other people are buying shorts at rupees like 1,000 or 2,000, I have this habit of telling rupees.
No issues. It comes with the content.
Yeah. If people are buying for 2K, I'll end up buying it for 200, 100, 150.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's why all of my friends love going shopping with me because they know I'll end up getting them. And you'll get good, okay? I'm not going to buy you like cheap quality stuff.
Yeah.
Branded products, I'll get you at like really cheap prices.
I have to go with
Yeah,
her,
please.
I swear.
I love
I mean,
shopping.
I can't. But I wanted to ask you, how are you motivated every day? How often do you shoot?
Yeah.
How are you motivated to go to these places every day and shoot?
That's what you see behind the camera. Some days you'll see me crying in my room
Yeah.
Yeah.
because I don't know what to do next. Where is this going?
You'll never know.
Yeah. So my thing is, I just don't want to do. Some days I'm really excited. Okay, I have to go to. Okay, so I don't do just promotions. So there are people that do just promotions or just stuff. I do a lot of organic content.
Correct.
So I go to stores that I don't know,
Okay.
randomly exploring, and if I find a store that's very affordable that I think my audience will like, I'll ask the permission from the store owner. If he's comfortable, if he knows that it's okay, then I'll shoot the content. Without his permission, I've never shot a video
Oh wow.
because it's best.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't want him to feel कि
awkward.
मुझे तो पूछा ही नहीं.
Yeah.
So that should never be there. So I'll always ask him. If he tells yes, then I'll go shoot the video. And 99% of the times, those videos have gone 2 million.
Yeah.
2 million plus. Because I know my audience will like it. I recently did a Street Finds series.
Yeah, I remember. Yes.
Yeah. So I shot 15 episodes. Almost every video has gone above 1 million. Almost. If it's not
Nice.
gone also, the likes and shares are so much that I know my people are liking it. And
Yeah.
do you think those street vendors are going to pay me? No.
No.
They literally have itna sa stall. They're not
So
going to pay me and I know
pay
it.
me.
But it's okay. See, that is going to give me followers at the end of the day.
Yeah, definitely.
Above that, people are going to know that there is so much more in Bengaluru than just branded stores.
That's
That's
true.
true.
So I want people to know this side of Bengaluru.
Yeah.
Of course,
I love that.
Bangalore is premium, luxury, but it's also this.
There is a
Yeah.
balance.
Yeah, there's always a balance.
I
So
love
I think in
that.
every city.
if
it's
there is
like
so exactly.
Yeah.
So for where I am, I want people to know कि
people
इधर है.
to experience
हाँ.
that.
I love the vision.
Yeah.
It's very
Even I
exciting.
do.
So are you?
So many people from Whitefield text me. Imagine from Whitefield तुम जयनगर से एक कुर्ती खरीदने आ रहे हो. How much that much faith they have in me. That's my success.
Yeah, that sounds fantastic.
Because I can't travel so much for one kurta set or one top.
Definitely not.
But if somebody is doing that much faith they have in me.
And that too, like through you, right?
Yeah.
and that gives
And
a lot
they
of
text you.
confidence, I
Yeah.
think.
People tell me, the owner will text and tell me, hey, they came from Whitefield seeing your video. And that makes me happy.
Yeah.
Chalo, fine, it's okay. Worked
There's
out
so
for
much
me.
of trust,
Yeah,
confidence.
that's really
yeah.
nice. So I think that's your motivation. It keeps you going.
It keeps
So this is your full time.
full time. There's nothing else I do. This is my full time.
But I mean, it sounds exciting, dude. Like everything that you're
It's
saying.
very exciting. Plus, if you have a good family that supports you throughout,
Yeah,
I think even you can get through even the worst
Worst
days
days,
with
yeah.
a smile on.
That's very
Somebody
true.
that will come. If I'm sad, I'll have my dad tell me it's okay. आज नहीं बढ़ रहे ना followers. See, there are so many times when you don't get followers.
Followers. Yeah.
That's the breaking point.
That's
Even
me
like
right
people are
now.
watching.
Yeah.
Yeah, like people are watching, but they don't want
follow.
to like follow.
Yeah,
like
or,
that's me.
That
engage.
hurts a lot. Like
Yeah.
imagine you have 3 million people watching your video, but you only get 1,000 followers out of it.
Followers.
1,000 is a very big number,
number,
okay? I'm not
but-
telling it's a not,
No.
it's a very huge number. But all I want to say is, sometimes that hits you because you put in so much effort for that
Effort.
one video and it just hurts you. But then you have your parents telling you, it's okay, you put in the effort. Just don't look at that side always.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It did get
Keep
views, no?
working.
Views नहीं आते तो तुम views के बारे में complain करते. Views आए ना, be happy with what you've already got.
I also, like I discussed with you before
Yeah.
the shoot, ki I've never had that niche break point.
Correct.
I've always wanted to do everything, whether it's on my Instagram or in live. Like for me, I don't have that one track mind.
But it's okay to do everything.
Yeah.
Like I do everything. I'm a 360-degree influencer. I just I don't prefer doing food.
Yeah.
Food is on the last of my list.
Correct.
I don't do food. Prachi, my elder sister, she's also an influencer.
Okay, I was actually just going to ask, is like I've seen her
videos.
somewhere, and then I assume because you have the same surname, so I've assumed.
She's my own elder sister.
Okay.
Yeah. And she loves doing food.
Okay.
She does food content.
No, she does both of us do everything.
Mm-hmm.
And but I don't do food. Like I do both come food and she does food majorly.
Mm-hmm.
Her food videos go really well. And when I say really well, brands. So there was this one video. She had 20K followers. 2 साल पुरानी बात है. There's a Jodhpur Sweets करके store in Jayanagar.
I know.
Okay. They sell dal bati churma. Prachi was their first influencer.
I have seen the video.
Okay, my dad and Prachi were in the video. Today Prachi's posted the video. The next day, they had to shut down their store from 2 to 6 because the chef said, I can't cook any more food. I'm tired.
What?
Yeah. And Prachi got a call that this is your response. Imagine a
That's
25K
crazy.
followers in one day, the
One
video hit
day.
1 million views.
That's insane.
So, see, this is what it means. It's not about money. It's not about, it's just that
It's just
people
a
trust you,
reward.
recommend.
It's just a reward.
See, paisa to anyways I'll earn off.
Yeah.
As content creation एकल नहीं हुआ तो
Yeah.
I'll either ways earn. But I'm trying to tell you is the trust people have in you, that is your reward, not the money.
100. I completely agree.
If a brand is paying me less also, I'm okay. If it's a good brand that I think as Kanishka, as my audience should know, then I don't mind charging less from the brand.
Yeah.
Because at least it's going to help somebody through me.
Yeah.
I love that your vision is purely towards your audience
Yeah,
more than
it's-
yourself. I think that's what the
Exactly. Yeah, I
ideation
really
of
like
it
it.
is.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Like-
that's some sort of our view as well for the
Yeah.
podcast. Because we want our viewers to feel seen
100%.
through these stories and through these
Yeah.
conversations.
More connected, like
Yeah,
the
more
way
connected
you
to
are
themselves.
speaking.
Yeah.
So I think they'll feel more connected. Like that's exactly what we have been working from like day one.
Yeah, that's
Like-
been our vision. Like if you
Yeah.
see our book, the vision is
Is
audience to be seen.
Yeah.
That's the
That's so
idea.
nice.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure. See, even when I saw your video with the Nani,
Yeah.
That's
amazing. The way she spoke. See, I think that's the difference. The calm in her voice, the way she spoke. It's entire. No matter how much we try to talk like her, we won't be able to get there.
never.
It's amazing the way she was
Yeah.
talking. Yeah, the innocence, the warmth,
Yeah.
everything was just perfect.
It was felt through
Yeah.
the video. That's
And
the
you know,
idea.
even like if people watch our videos, like if it's a new follower, they actually talk about the video with your grandmom. Like others obviously, but their best video, it's like the way your grandmom talks. And it's just
Yeah.
too pure.
She's your grandmother.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Yeah. Must be a lucky child to sit with a person like this every day.
Yeah, very. I mean, I'm very close to my grandparents.
Touch wood.
But my question was, so you and your sister are in the same field.
Yeah.
How does that work? Like, are there any, I'm not going to say fights, but like issues?
You know what? You'll be surprised. But Prachi and I are each other's biggest support leaders.
I love that.
Imagine, so we have targets every month. कि ये number achieve करना है. See, of course, we are doing everything for your audience, but at the end of the day, this is our bread and
of
butter.
course, उससे
So
grow.
both of us have a target. Followers पे तो ठीक है, because followers are not always in your hands, but money wise we have a target.
Yeah.
In case this month I have not achieved my target, Prachi is going to try and help me to pitch my handle to other brands.
Wow.
So
Imagine
like a
this month I have
personal manager without any.
Yeah,
You understand?
that's all. So, and otherwise also Prachi and I are very close. I think there's one person if I love above my parents, it's Prachi.
I love that.
I love. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it's. How is it being the middle child?
Elder sister is dad's favorite, younger brother is mom's favorite. So, quite the.
Ouch. Yeah, but I get that.
Yeah, but I think it's okay. I enjoy both of them give me equal,
Equal love.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
okay. I'm fine.
Yeah.
All the five of us are very close to each other.
I like that.
Yeah, we're very, very close to each other. I can tell them about anything and I know I won't be judged. I'll get a solution for everything in my house. And on the days that I don't want solutions, I think they'll make jokes about it and laugh with me. So we are best friends before family.
Family.
So
I like that.
That is.
How old is your brother?
He will turn 19 in December.
Oh, so I think he'll be little protective, no, of the two sisters.
He's protective and he's very, he's still in his, I have to influence a sister phase.
Oh.
So he enjoys that. I mean, he's in Christ. So, काफी time ऐसा he has some videos to be posted. Will you put it on your story? I'll get some views. Can you do this for me?
Yeah.
And he's protective, of course. If he knows that I'm having a shoot day where it's far, he'll make sure he'll come with me and he's there.
That's very
That's really
sweet.
nice.
Yeah.
I mean, a younger brother.
Doing that much is very important.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
definitely.
He might be young with age, but I think he's more smart than me and
19.
Prachi.
Yeah, I feel like brothers that have elder
Sisters.
sisters.
Are automatically that way.
Yeah,
Yes.
like I feel like they're overly mature.
Yeah.
They're
I
overly
swear to
protective.
God, yeah.
They're overly emotional, and I don't know. They just feel like the greenest flags.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think even
I will take credit for it. Huh?
no,
Yeah.
even her brother, like your brother, I feel is a green forest. He's like very tiny, but
He's 14.
Oh, cute.
yeah, but then the way like he's still he's a little protective when it
Yeah,
comes to
yeah.
you and your sister.
Like if he sees me off one day, or if I'm like crying or anything, he'll want me to talk to him.
Yes.
There might not be topics I'd like to share with him, like
Yeah,
because he's
young,
younger.
yeah.
Yeah.
But he'd want me to talk to him. He'd be like, okay,
Tell
so,
me what happened.
yeah, and he'd be like, okay, so now if you won't tell me, I will never tell you because I
Yeah,
want him to tell
same.
me.
Oh my God,
He'll be like,
that I get a lot.
Yeah,
He'll tell me. See, maybe sometimes you just can't tell work problems to him.
yeah,
See, there are some problems that you can't have solutions for.
yeah,
But tell no what happened. DUGG, tell no.
yeah,
DUGG, what happened? Tell me
Yeah.
no. It's okay. Come, I'll take you for ice cream.
yeah.
So
things
that,
like that.
I think is very important.
Please,
Yeah.
I'm feeling lonely in this one.
I do the same for you, dude.
But you're not a brother, no.
See, I can do that
Change
for her.
your
But that
gender.
brother thing, no, it's
Yeah, it's
different.
different.
It's different.
I don't have a brother. So then I go off and tie Rakhi too.
Some random people on the planet. It can go like in two ways, like sibling bonds. It's nice that our generation understands the meaning of siblings in a more positive aspect.
way, yeah.
We,
Not fighting and unnecessary
Yeah,
drama.
yeah,
That is
it's
not good.
very, like my sister, even though she's younger to me, she's my elder sister. Like we're both the same age mentally. You know what I mean? Like
Yeah, that I
she
agree.
comes to me for advice, I go to her for advice. And
Yeah.
she, like you said, she is literally my life.
So the same way for Prachi. If you see any post that she's made about me on Instagram, these are the lines she's written. Because I can tell her anything, she can tell me anything.
Yeah.
And I can give her advice on anything that she might not even be able to think. Because
Yeah.
sometimes a sister is all you need.
No, very true.
You might not find solutions, but you'll always end up laughing with her.
Yeah, very
That's
true.
and I think, see, I might sound controversial here, but a sister above a brother any day.
Ouch.
I'm telling this while I love my brother like the most, but I think having a sister is an entirely different feeling. I just feel two sisters, two girls in the same house can relate to so many things on so many
Very
levels that a male will never be able to.
I agree.
Yeah. See,
I
I love
agree.
Darshan, okay. I think I would die for him. I actually take a bullet. But
Yeah.
but for Prachi, what I feel for Prachi, or how on the levels I understand Prachi.
No, I meant like what she meant is what a man understands in a house is very different from what females understand in a house. Which is why
No, but again, I'm not differentiating between
no,
them.
I'm talking about my love for them. I can't
Yeah.
understand the difference between it.
Yeah, 100%. Even I don't. But what I'm trying to say is, it's just different.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess. I'm not
And maybe for you, the age difference is very less.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
and you're the elder sister.
Yeah,
So
for
तुम्हारे
me
लिए
it's
तो वो
more
बच्चा ही
motherly
है.
vibes.
Yeah, motherly
Yeah, yeah.
vibes only. For us, it's not like that. See, Darshan and I only have 4 years ka gap. Very Prachi and Darshan have that motherly
Yeah, yeah.
vibe. So for Darshan will come to me for all the stupid stuff.
Yeah.
Hey, I did this today. But with Prachi, Chichi, what's happening? What should I do? All that emotional stuff, he has to go to her.
Yeah.
Be that. Yeah, we can close the topic and
Are
we
we
can start
done,
with
guys?
something.
Because I'm literally feeling lonely in this conversation. I also have another question. So, you do have a lot of followers. Okay, she said okay. You do. Okay.
Yeah.
And how do you deal with hate? Because I can't. I cannot.
See, this might not sound believable, but I have not got hate so far.
No, it does sound believable.
Yeah, I have not got hate so far. Maybe because my niche is very different.
Yeah.
I have got hate. But hate also is a very strong word to use for my thing. I've got people telling कि we didn't like the products. So see, products का तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. But otherwise, I've never got hate or people. In fact, I went through a surgery while after I became a content creator. So the love that I got, people when I hit 50K, when I made a post about it, when I hit 100K, when I made the love is just amazing. Even if I end up telling anything on social media, if I'm putting out my thoughts that are like very, when I'm overwhelmed, people end up talking to me like very nicely. So I have a good community and I'm very, very grateful for all of you guys. Thank you so much.
I love that.
Yeah.
Do you look towards collaborating with other influencers, or are you in that zone or
where you
don't
wanna
care?
like meet the creators, collab with them, whatever niche it works for, like you
Yeah.
and them?
I don't mind doing it, but I'm not there yet. I just feel I want to build my profile that much. If I approach an influencer, I don't want to hear no.
Oh, makes sense.
So I don't want to be like, no, not right now.
Mm-hmm.
That's just a personal goal. So I want to hit that number and maybe then I can see people tell numbers don't matter.
They do.
They 100% do. And anybody that is telling that they have a lot of numbers, that's why they're telling that.
Yeah, and this content creation numbers do matter. Like
See.
obviously at the end of the day,
There are a
For
lot of
us to-
influencers that are
yeah.
fake followers, okay?
Yeah.
This is an entirely different topic. But brands come to you and tell you, oh, see, this influencer is charging so less, but she has so many followers. Yes, because you can see it in her reach. Example, you posted a video. You've got 5,000 likes and 20 shares. That's not possible.
Yeah.
You're running ads, just accept it and move on. I'm not telling it's wrong, but I'm
I'm
telling
saying
you
it's different.
It's different. Good. You're having fake followers. That's not something I stand with. I don't have one fake follower, okay? I just can't. I've sat down and tried to build each follower. So you can't tell me that fake followers se tum paisa kama rahe ho, so that does not sit right with me.
Yeah. Yeah.
It might be good for you or for her, for anybody, XYZ. But for me, it's your work, it's your God. You can't do cheating in this.
Definitely.
I
can't.
don't know how to get fake followers.
You
You leave the concept.
So this
to
happened
me.
to me once, I think a year or two ago, when this random
Yeah. I remember.
bot account
Yeah.
or a bot someone started sending me like followers. Okay.
Yeah.
So I gained around say 5,000
I-
followers.
yeah.
Shit.
I have sat overnight
And
with my
she-
friends
and
and
she
I have
removed it.
removed all 5,000
Wow.
followers.
Yeah. And she was very.
Because-
and the thing is, she posted it. I remember she was honest on her Instagram. She's like, "Oh,
This
this all
happened.
has happened. I'm gonna remove all these fake followers. Don't get like influenced that she got like all the 5,000 followers."
Yeah,
and
because
all.
I mean I didn't even ask for it.
Yeah.
It was just sent.
See, now this is why I understand that even if I'm going to send a brand to her, conversion is secondary. I know she's honest.
Yeah.
See, that's what matters to me. See, I handle a lot of PR for brands, okay? For me, you giving me conversion is secondary. At least you're honest to your audience. That's what matters to
Yeah.
me.
No, that
तुम अपने
comes-
audience से ही honest नहीं हो सकते, तुम brand से क्या honest रहोगे? See, if I'm trying to sell you this phone, until and unless you're liking it, you're never going to be able to sell it for me.
Definitely not.
So
Yeah,
if
makes
you're
sense.
very happy, see, you nobody would have ever known that you got those 5,000 followers.
Yeah.
But you were true to
Until
yourself, true to your work.
Yeah, it was
To-
more about myself than
Yes,
others.
exactly my point.
For me, yeah.
So there's so many people that text, we'll get you bot followers, we'll get you followers.
followers.
Yeah.
No, thank you, I'm good.
Yeah, I don't.
I'll
don't
get
even
there
reply.
slowly, but I'll
Yeah.
get there honestly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
it's
all.
like the same with like both of us. Like I am too against. I just don't understand what's the point.
Yeah.
Like if people are only, I want people if I first of all I don't post, but just in case if I do
Yeah,
on
I
my
understand
personal
what you're trying to
account,
say.
I want people to see me for me. I don't want random profiles just because oh my god I have like 10K followers. How many followers I have right now? It's
Happy, good.
natural, happy people that I know. I think all my followers. Honestly.
I wish I could also tell that someday.
Someday. But are you
Someday.
looking? Are you planning to do like meetups?
I
and
was just,
greetups?
I just have that fear. What if nobody turns up?
We'll be there.
Yeah, I'll come, please. I'll shout and all. Not at you.
I understood. You cheer for me. I understood.
Yeah, not like
I
shouting,
think you
know.
should. I, think
I was
you
actually
created-
thinking for a Diwali meetup. I'm still in the planning process. Me and Prachi both were planning to do a Bandari Sisters meetup.
Oh,
You
that
can
would be.
actually do
okay,
it.
so are there any plans of having a combined account?
We just made a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
See, I know.
And
No,
it's called
actually,
as a Bandari Sisters.
Sisters
Yeah.
content actually
Works
works
well.
a lot.
We are also planning to do a podcast maybe, but that's not the goal. You know, 100 plans aayenge, then one you will
one
work
you
out.
have to go, yeah.
Either vlogs or something like that, but still in the process.
Are you experimenting with YouTube or Instagram is your?
I think YouTube requires a lot of effort altogether, and I'm not ready to commit to that much yet. See, I am somebody that will either do it 100% or don't do it.
Yeah.
I can't be there in between.
yeah.
And
same.
if I want to do YouTube, I want to do long format videos, not shorts. Because if you're going to earn, you can only earn through long format videos. You
True.
can't earn through shorts.
Yeah.
तो फिर वो उसके लिए, and I'm not a vlog person.
Not yet, maybe.
Yeah, not yet. I don't know how to talk in a vlog. That sounds very stupid, but
It doesn't.
yeah, I
It
don't know.
doesn't like
It
I
doesn't
feel
actually.
it makes sense. Like for me, I think I really wanted to be
Be a
like
vlog person.
but I just don't like the camera. I just want somehow I
Says
just
a podcaster. You say this on every episode.
I
You need to
know,
stop
But
saying
and you have
it.
such a camera-genic face. I don't know why can't you do it.
Sister.
You can record really nice videos. See, for
Sister.
me, I don't know what to say. Okay, I'll start the video.
who will tell her? No, you. Just tell.
You're very camera shy.
No, I'll tell you the
She won't
first.
take photos for the. Hasn't taken a photo in last 10 years. I think.
Huh? Why with that face?
Oh, thank you.
No, I got so much hate. Like the first video that went out on my podcast. Oh my god. I think 50 plus messages about my face. And they were not positive.
Huh?
Yes. So
No, give them shades from my end, please.
please give.
them. Why?
But yeah, it was really horrible. So I'm still like I think growing. I'm getting back. I love this, okay. But for me,
Do you love yourself?
I don't.
Yeah, that's the problem.
I really
So-
just the way I said it, I'm like, oh my no.
How can you say I don't? Yeah.
So the issue is, until and unless you love yourself, you think people don't judge me. From the community I come, you think people don't judge me.
Sorry.
Even I had that question for her.
Yeah.
Do you think I care? If I would have even cared about one person, I would not have come. See, wherever I am, I would not have come here. I'm not even halfway there. But even if I have to come here, I have to stop caring about people. My own, like, immediate family have judged me. Who cares? And today, the same, I'll tell you my true story, okay? I was not a fancy girl in school. I've looked up to people, any girl, oh my god, I have to become like her. Those girls, very
Yeah,
basic, very
yeah,
simple,
yeah.
very middle class person. And people used to bully me. And aaj wahi log, hey, can you help me put a story?
I hate bullies. I
Yeah.
swear to God.
So, what I'm trying to say is, once you get there, all your hate is also going to turn into love. But in the meanwhile process, you have to trust yourself.
Working
Yeah.
on it, trusting
But how is it?
myself.
But how has it been dealing with, say, bullies in school,
School.
and
College.
College.
There has been 6 months, nobody's spoken to me. I've sat in
What?
cried sitting alone. But you know what? Trust me, 6 months I did not, even then I did not care. Smile, live my life. I see, okay, that way I'm very strong. So Prachi is very weak again in that way. I'm very strong.
I'm like, Prachi, you are-
Yeah. You can tell me anything. But if I don't care, I don't care. Chalo, if you're very close to me, then it will matter to me a lot, okay? But otherwise,
Yeah.
chalna तेरे जैसे बहुत आएंगे. For me, I'm that type of person.
I'm gonna
But that's
keep
nice.
that my motto. Chalna, chalna, something
Shut up.
I'll say.
No, but
But-
tell me one thing. You mentioned that even like say your immediate family, like first cousin, whatever
Yeah.
it is,
Yeah.
XYZ. How has it been dealing with family? Because I think, especially like you mentioned, like I don't want to like discriminate between communities, but it is slightly difficult for people to open up from
Yeah.
where we come.
Yeah. So,
How
pe-
has it been with society?
people think, क्या ही कर लेगी? क्या ही कर लेगी? And today when they hear, oh, Jia Bhandari. See, शाहरुख खान भी ओवरनाइट सेलिब्रिटी नहीं बना था. It took him a process. Amitabh Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar, anybody, it took them a process. So in the process सबने hate किया ही होगा. अगर तुम वहीं पे रुक जाओगे तो तुम कभी आगे नहीं बढ़ पाओगे. For me, for Prachi, for see, I think again it comes down to one thing, that my parents are extremely supportive.
Yeah.
I wanted to become a chef. When I dropped off that, my dad did not, Kanishka, can you believe me? He did not even tell me Q. Okay, you don't want to do it, don't do it. And I think that is wealth for me.
Yeah.
Anything that my parents were like, ठीक है तुझे नहीं करना है मत कर. I started a hamper and event business that went really well. Meanwhile, I started content creation and that started going well. I knew I can't do two things.
Yeah.
I can't do two things and expect both of them to give me good.
Yeah.
यहाँ तो इधर से मार लगती, यहाँ उधर से मार लगती. I stopped that. तब भी my parents didn't tell me anything.
Your biggest cheerleader.
Yeah. And today also they're like, oh, you're going, you're excited. How are you feeling? They're very,
I feel
trust me.
for her, like her parents are so supportive. Like she doesn't care if other
Exact-
noises are coming
yeah.
from like the
Their
background.
clap is so loud that I don't notice who's
the
not
other
clapping.
noises in the
I love that.
yeah.
Yeah.
So when you first told them you want to become a content creator, what was
yeah
the first thing?
See, my mom is a very, तूने decision लिया है ना, सही ही लिया होगा. There has been times when we've paid from our pocket and gone to cafes and posted a reel about them. Okay. That time my dad didn't understand. He's like, what are you doing? I'm not understanding. He didn't criticize us, but he's like, I'm not understanding, which is very
Normal.
normal.
Yeah.
Yeah. जरूरी नहीं है तुम्हारे जनरेशन को मेरी सब बात बताओ या हमारे
Yeah,
पेरेंट्स को
yeah.
हमारी सब बातें बताओ. Later, there is this one cafe in Vivipuram that paid us 2,000 per person for one reel. That day, he understood. Okay,
What
this is going somewhere. See, both the parents में एक parent ऐसा होता है जिसको
थोड़ा explain
करना पड़ता है. And now, you won't believe, every day he takes a screenshot of our followers. When we were about to hit 10K, no, I don't have the screen recording, but he's taken at least 10 days पहले से आज 100 बढ़े, आज 50 बढ़े. Kanishka, I think I don't need anybody if I have my parents with me. Nobody. And when I tell every day he's taken screenshots, every day, I think every hour भी 10K hit होने के 100 बाकी थे ना, 10 बढ़ गए, 20 बढ़ गए, 30. That excitement, no, I think nobody can have.
Yeah.
What your parents can give you, nobody else can. And to have that love and supporting parents is just the end of it.
Yeah, I
Immediate family ने भी जब कुछ भी बोला होगा ना, they've just
It
stood by
doesn't
us
matter.
because
yeah, I think your
I trust you
family-
enough. No, उससे ज़्यादा तुम्हें और क्या चाहिए?
I think you're being blessed, touchwood, because
Touch should.
honestly, like even if like the whatever family others,
Mm.
but I think your own like the five,
5 of us.
the five, the
Strong
That's all that
pillars.
matters
Yeah.
at the end of the day.
yeah, like,
But
Like to have
there are
the-
two sides, you know. There is one more immediate family that I have. I'd really like, if whoever listens to this, I'd really like to give them credits. Apart from my parents, there are a couple of people that stand by me like my rocks. So I have 3 siblings. Nikunj, Vishal and Bhaiya, I can't call okay on podcast, but okay, Nikunj, Vishal and Karishma. All these 3 people and their partners are so supportive towards. All the 3 of them are married. Imagine I changed 3 outfits before coming here and I had to call Sonam Bhabhi. So this is my Bhaiya's wife and I had to call her. I was like, see this outfit. She's like, you're going on a podcast. Look pretty, yeah. She made me change.
I love it.
Imagine she's my brother's wife. And she's so supportive. If I call and tell them, no, ki aaj ye hua hai, arey just come over, no, we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
If I have to go on a shoot and I don't have anybody, they'll leave their work and they'll come with me on a shoot.
I
love
love it.
that.
I swear. to
So I
God.
think bottom line is supportive family
Supportive.
is the end.
And-
If you have to tell anything, if I have nobody, okay, restaurant shoots me, you need 2-3 people.
yeah.
So you get those taste ka shots and some
Yeah.
people are talking to you. So there is Rupal Bhabhi that will come with me, Nikunj Bhaiya that will come to me. They won't say no. Imagine they'll close their store. ठीक है तेरा ये टाइम है ना, तेरे शूट का ये टाइम है ना, हम तेरे शूट के दे थिंक तेरा काम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
I
They
love
they
that.
won't make you feel little. And even if you come, no, they'll talk to you with the same love and
Yeah,
empathy.
Yeah, because I think sometimes that fear is there of how do I ask shoot
Yeah.
के लिए.
Yeah, because I feel like अरे तुम्हारा काम भी तो इम्पोर्टेंट है, उनके लिए मेरा काम इम्पोर्टेंट है,
मेरा,
मेरे लिए भी तो तुम्हारा काम इम्पोर्टेंट है ना. अरे कोई नहीं दिया, welcome.
It's very sweet.
Yeah, I think at the end, like a support system
Is very
really
important.
takes you.
Even my
far.
friends. I was now you are seeing the fame part of it.
Yeah,
When I was nothing, they've come to me on the streets of Shivaji Nagar, short videos while I'm talking, while I'm doing, and they've not felt embarrassed. And when I tell them they've not felt embarrassed because they're all multi-millionaires. I've not felt bad about it shooting videos for me. Ki why are we doing all this for her? Because I think it's the love,
Yeah.
the friendship that matters
More
to them.
than the bond that
Bond,
you all,
exactly.
you all
Yeah.
guys have.
And I feel like these are the times when your friendship and your
Proves,
bonds
yeah.
Yeah.
gets tested because
It's like
family
yeah.
sometimes
करेगा ही.
हाँ मतलब
No
ठीक है
option.
यार अब अगर they don't for example God forbid let's take कि उनको नहीं पसंद एक दिन मना करेंगे दूसरे दिन मुझे
They
तो
have to-
करेगी तो
yeah.
मुझे करना ही पड़ेगा so they have to
They have to stick by.
friends have the option of walking away and people who just stay by during those years of whatever it is content creation or कोई भी struggle हो I think that's when you know the real
Usually
friends.
people tell college friends दिखते नहीं. Okay, I found this one person in college. Her name's Diya too.
oh
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Touch wood till date. There was one last year, entire year. Her college side by side चल रहा था. She used to come with me for every shoot, and by every shoot I mean she's come everywhere with me without saying no.
Shout out to Diya.
Yeah,
We
really.
love you.
yeah for real
Without saying क्यों आऊं, तेरा काम है, you are getting money or you are getting followers out of it. See, I think that selflessness is what is going to take you anywhere.
Yeah.
See, maybe money I've got, but the amount of love my
yeah.
parents, blessings, my family has given her, I have thought the best for her.
Yeah, obviously.
See, today if she calls me and tells me, ask me for anything, I think without a second thought, I'll give it to
Yeah.
her.
that's true
So yeah.
What will you like one word for your journey of content creation?
what has it taught you
Yeah.
Be true to yourself.
And something you want to tell us because like obviously she has been on that path for a very long time. I know her thoughts about the whole content and the way she always guides me and everything, but I want to know from your perspective something you want to tell us because for our podcast like
us and maybe also people who are
watching
and wanting to
Start.
Content creation or anything.
anything.
Okay, first, so I think again, my one point: be true to yourself.
Yeah.
Whatever you are doing, know that until and unless you are not consuming it, you are not liking it, don't put it out on the internet. That is very on. See, if I'm putting out something and if you're not liking it, at least I can back it and say that see you didn't like it, that's okay, but I really liked it.
Yeah.
That's why I put it out on Instagram. So podcast for you guys also. Calling guests that actually make a difference in the society.
Yeah.
If you're going to tell people things that are actually true,
Yeah.
see, that's why I told you, you've got great following. For me, 355 followers or 455.
356.
So what I'm trying to tell is 356 followers in such a short span of time is fabulous. See, I'm not telling you to impress you guys. जरूरी नहीं है मैं ही हूँ, कोई भी random इंसान, if he has a really true life story and if you're calling them here, it's going to change lives. Maybe मेरे podcast से आज कोई कुछ ना सीखे, but at least one thing I want to tell is just be true to yourself. If you're going to lie today, at the end, it's going to come out somewhere.
yeah
Cheating, being dishonest to yourself or the people around you. I'm an influencer. Otherwise also, you just have to be true to yourself.
I have one saying, a truth hurts one time, but a lie hurts 10,000 times.
100%. That's true.
it's become like a whole therapy session altogether. Your story is really exciting and inspiring,
Yeah.
especially from the parents and family POV because
Yeah.
right now families are like it can get a little like like
Messy, I feel.
messy in terms of like not everyone sees eye to eye
Yeah.
basically in
Hmm.
certain ways. So I think that's something that's really really exciting and
Yeah.
nice, I guess.
We'll figure out. Even if I have a problem, if I call my bhaiya, bhabhi, my sister, we'll figure it out. It's just a problem. It's not the end of the world.
Yeah.
Yeah, same like if I'm texting my mom and all, I'm going for a shoot, like all the best. Like my
Ah,
friends also
yeah.
like really excited like if I'm coming back, they'll text me how was the shoot. Like the
Yeah.
first question starts with like how was my shoot? How did it go? Was it good? So it's really nice to be surrounded with positive people.
Yeah.
How do you deal with the uncertainty of like content creation is great, but how do you deal with the uncertainty of it?
I think you should always have backup.
Yeah.
एक ही तो नहीं चलेगा हमेशा. So you should always. So Prachi and I, this is the first time I'm going to tell this on social media, but
Oh my God.
Oh my
Prachi
God.
and I are planning to open a store. It's going to be a plus size store that has
love that.
Indian wear, that has
Love
Western wear, not
Mm.
Indian wear, Western wear, and you're going to get some crazy things personally picked by both of us, and it's going to be a family store. Like you can get everybody ke liye sab kuch.
I love
So,
that.
that's-
It's gonna be like at a good
Congratulations.
affordable price.
Yeah, nothing's going to be above ₹1,000. Don't worry. And you get those urbanic dresses.
Yeah.
All of those pieces at like 500, 600 rupees. So that's what. Wait till the next March, and you're going to get some crazy stuff from us.
I love that, and I love that it's announced here.
Yeah. This is the first time I'm announcing it anywhere else. Like, I think only our immediate family knows. Nobody else knows. So that's going to come
exciting.
soon.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
so I'm excited.
And I love that it has a niche. It just makes
Exactly.
sense.
Yeah. So Prachi has been a plus size model for a really long time. Now
Okay.
she's lost 20 kgs.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been seeing her journey, her workout and her fitness
Yeah,
journey.
yeah.
I've been seeing it.
So she's lost 20 kgs. But even in the process, she's like, if we ever open a store, it has to be plus size inclusive.
Yeah, no,
So
I
our sizes are we are planning to give up to 7, 8XL. If we find 10XL, great.
Wow.
But that's what we are getting up in the market right now. It's going to be a
Nice.
branded surplus garment store, but not the ones that you find. It's going to be like really premium pieces.
Yeah.
But if anybody sees, they'll tell कि हाँ ये तो 4-5 हजार का होगा, but you literally pay 500-600
I
for
love
it.
the niche which you
Yeah.
are targeting.
So that's what जो मैं करती हूँ, मैं वही उसी का store बना रही हूँ.
हूँ.
So even if I'm preaching about it, I'm doing it.
Yeah, that's really nice.
That's very exciting. I love that there's a backup.
And I'm really
Yeah.
happy for you and
You
your sister.
कल Instagram बंद हो जाएगा तब.
Yeah, you never know.
But I think if you have the potential, no, you can do anything.
But
That is
still, I
true.
think in this, like the backup that you guys have been thinking of, it's really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There
Something
are
that
very
you-
few niche.
Yeah.
There are plus size stores in Bangalore, but you know क्या मिलता है? Your oversized t-shirts. I'm tired of that.
Yeah.
What if a plus size girl, 8XL girl, wants to wear a bodycon dress? Who are you to decide she only wants to wear baggy t-shirts?
Yeah.
Maybe she wants to wear a nice crop top and a nice jeans. You're not a plus size girl.
I know, but I love to wear baggy t-shirts.
Yes, see, that's okay, but that's your perspective.
Yeah, that's what I'm
What if
saying.
I'm a plus size girl and I want to wear a bodycon dress, but there's literally nowhere that you find it. So,
Accessibility
yeah.
for everyone. I like that.
And affordable pricing.
Yeah,
That's
they
actually your
just
full motive,
Crack the
but
code.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love that. That's very exciting. No, the idea is I get it, but how has she or how do you think people should or do deal with this? Like, do people just accept it that they're plus size and move on, or work on it because it could create health issues, or just
See, I
Live with
think
it.
every plus size person gets a point in their life where they realize either they still want to stay the same or want to get back to a healthier. See, for me, plus size might be different. For you, plus size might
Definitely,
be different. For you,
yeah.
plus size might be different. Until and unless, see, for Prachi, why she started is she knew if she does not start now, down the lane, health में issues आएगा ही आएगा.
Yeah.
100%.
So maybe she started and now she's at a she's come 4 sizes down.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that I think it depends on you. If you're happy with your body, go ahead. It's okay. As long as it matters, it's keeping you happy, it's okay.
Yeah.
For me, I want to lose weight.
Me too.
Yeah.
That's one.
Yeah. So if I'm not a plus size model, but that does not matter to me. There's so many people that literally look like this, but they still want to lose weight.
Yeah, I think it's all personal.
Perspective, yeah.
Personal thing.
Personal thing कि तुम्हें
Yeah.
matter कर रहा है ना तो तुम करोगे.
Yeah, people want to gain,
Lose.
It's all
It's a
in
whole
their
thing,
mind.
circle of life.
Yeah.
तुम बहुत पतले हो तो तुम्हें मोटे होना है. तुम बहुत
It's a
मोटे हो तो
loop.
तुम्हें yeah, it's a loop. Exactly.
I feel it just keeps happening. Like if I lose weight and I'm like, no, my face like that glow has gone. I
Now
want
everybody used to tell Prachi तू बहुत मोटी है, तू बहुत मोटी है. Now that she's lost it, Prachi तेरा मुंह पतला पड़ रहा है. तुम्हारे
my
just
sister.
stop it, yeah.
Oh my god! Literally, my sister, like she's a doctor, so she gained a lot of weight, and then she lost it. And I'm telling you know, right? She lost so much weight, and then everyone's like, "Where is the glow?" My sister's like, "What do you want me to do?" She used to do like Chloe Ting workout in COVID, like mad. I was like, I'm telling you,
So-
2 times in a week.
Oh my god. And for me, it is like तुम कुछ भी करो, people will have an opinion about it.
Yeah.
You're very fair. Oh my god, तू कितनी गोरी है, तू कितनी काली है. Anything, people have an opinion about it. So I
Yeah.
think at the end of the day, what makes you happy is the truth.
Yeah.
That's true. I think that's a great note to end the podcast with. So on that note, just love yourselves. Do what you feel is right. And don't tell everything is right because you think it's right. You know, like just be honest to yourself.
Yeah, be honest to yourself. If
Yeah.
you think your body is not, you think it's not the right thing, just take some steps. Don't start heavy. Maybe
Yeah.
small changes, dietary changes, a little bit here and there can definitely make a difference.
Yeah, I think everything, like she said, is one step at a time. You
Yeah.
can't change things
Yeah, you can't
overnight.
also run
From the truth.
truth. Exactly.
Yeah.
You just have to take it slow,
Slow.
be loyal and true to yourself
Yeah.
and your
See, if you're a right human being, you don't go tell people, "ये तो कितनी मोटी है." That's very bad. Do you even know how much
The other person goes through while listening to
she?
this.
You think she does not know already?
crying.
You think you're only going to tell her?
Yeah, I know.
There's so many people that go and used to tell Prachi, "Oh my God, you're so fat." Oh yeah, really? Thanks for telling me. I don't see her. I don't look at a mirror every day.
Yeah, I don't get
And अब क्या बोलते? अरे यार तेरा मुंह थोड़ा बदला हो गया. Dude, just so all I'm going to tell is
Love yourself.
love yourself. Even in the process of losing weight, gaining weight, just know that your body is a temple. Worship it.
Oh wow, I love that.
On that note,
And let's
bye.
See you Friday.
See you next Friday. When I have a best friend named Kanishka from college.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. But I was just thinking about that.
Oh, she's jealous. Please cut that.
No.